It's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The body grabs you, the interior draws you in, and the engine keeps you coming back. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Auto-dimming rearview mirror, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual-zone climate control, external memory control, V6 engine, power tilting steering column, memory steering wheel settings, command AM/FM satellite prep radio, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and LED low beam headlights. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern midsize luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Here at Napleton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we care about you. Stop by anytime. We're easy to find at 11,055 West Dundee Road in Arlington Heights, Illinois.